Ready to go outside? Let's go outside. Open the door. Open the door. Good dog. Go find that ball. Go find that ball. Go find it. Go find it. You gonna find the ball? Go find the ball. No, it's not over there. Come on, doggy. Stop being funny. She's being funny. Well, you keep on going around circles. It's not there. The ball's not there. Look at the cat. The cat's looking at you like you're silly. Look at my cat. My cat's right there. He's not acting like that. Meow. Alright, Jason, stop it. Circle. Well, see, the dog got jealous. He almost ran you over. You see that? Hey, where'd that pen come from? Sparkle. Yeah. Look at this crazy dog. Look at it, the cat's running away. Yeah, climb up. Whoa, see, he jumps. He jumps on things. Look at that dog running around. See? Oh God, you're gonna pee right next to the cat. Look at this. Look at this crazy mutt. Doing that, he's jealous. The dog is jealous. You wanna play with the pen? Yeah, he likes the pen, see? You like the pen? Yeah, you like that pen? There's that crazy dog.